Nakikita raw ng BDO Unibank ang Pampanga bilang isa sa mga lugar na may malaking potensyal para sa paglago ng digital at cashless financial services. Sa isinagawang business briefing sa SMX Convention Center Clark itong July 16, ibinahagi ng mga opisyal ng bangko ang kanilang economic outlook para sa natitirang bahagi ng taon. Napag-usapan din ng dumaraming digital payment use, pagbabago ng financial behavior ng mga mamimili, lumalaking pangangailangan para sa mas accessible na banking services, financial protection at business financing. Ayon kay Romel Liboon, Senior Assistant Vice President at Head of Research ng BDO Trust and Investment Group, nanatiling positibo ang pananaw nila sa ekonomiya sa kabila ng mga hamon sa pandaigdigang merkado.
But I think in the second half as well, we will start to see a bit more improvement in terms of the economic backdrop. We're starting to see people adjust more to the new environment, whether it's higher fuel prices, higher inflation. And if you recall that the GDP in second half is a little bit slow. So I think year on year, there's going to be more of a recovery for the second half. So I think that's what we're seeing, at least what our view is, at least for the next 6 to 12 months. And I think that really just speaks to how still resilient the Philippine economy is.
Samantala, sinabi ni Dave Coder, Vice President ng BDO Unibank and Head of Digital Acquisition Consumer Banking Group, malaki na ang ipinagbago ng digital banking sa nakalipas na mga taon.
Dati, it's just a convenience tool. Kung mapapansin nyo, nung unang mga 10 years ago, we access our desktop, check our balances, titingnan kung may pumasok na pera sa account natin or even transfer funds. That was the use of digital banking a few years ago. And then, pandemic hit, and now customers have evolved into using it into everyday lives. So mula pagising hanggang pagtulog, digital banking is there. Not just through desktop computers or laptops. Nandito na ang digital banking.
Ayon sa BDO, patuloy ring dumarami ang mga kapampahang gumagamit ng digital banking dahil sa mas madali at mas maraming transaksyong pwedeng gawin gamit ang mobile apps.
Customers, Kapampangans can now use digital banking to send money, check their transactions, pay bills using just the app wherever you are. Customers can also, via the BDO Pay app, withdraw without the use of a debit card through the QR. So, customers have evolved in that way, in a sense that pandemic accelerated this adoption, but it's really the convenience and the accessibility.
Tinalakay rin sa forum ang lumalawak na paggamit ng mga negosyo sa automation, digital collections at cash management solutions upang makabilis ang operasyon at masuportahan ang mga business expansion. Ayon kay Romel Gomez, BDO Unibank Senior Vice President at Region Head of Northern Luzon Branch Banking Group, layunin din ng aktibidad na matulungan ang mga Kapampangan sa wastong pangangasiwa ng kanilang pananalapi.
Aming purpose po is makasama po namin ang aming mga kababayan sa Pampanga on their financial journey, and we will be here as a financial advisor para sa lahat ng inyong mga financial needs. No? So susuporta po kami sa inyong business activities, and we'll be right beside you growing your business at saka yung financial journey ninyo.
Hakbang rin daw ito upang palakasin ang financial literacy ng mamamayan kasabay ng paghikayat ng pagbabangko para may mapagkukuhanan ng pera sa oras ng pangailangan.
It's easier, faster, at saka simpler. Yun ang aming message sa aming kababayan. Yes, of course. Kasi we see the growth areas nasa probinsya, nasa countryside. That's why kaantabay ang BDO sa progress ng ating mga kababayan sa countryside. I think kailangan ng ating mga kababayan na mag-ipon and to secure their future, di ba? Para at least during hard times meron tayong mabubunot something from. Well, lahat po ng aming ginagawa mga sistema at saka procedures, ini-ensure po namin na secure yung ating mga pera na sinasafekeep namin for the public at minomonitor po namin yan every day.
Samantala, inihayag din ng BDO ang ilang aktibidad na nakahanda para sa pagdiriwang ng 50th anniversary nito simula ngayong August.
Uy, meron po kaming pakulo dyan. We'll be giving out 5 hybrid cars. I-raffle off mo namin yan. And then we'll be giving cash na gift checks also to the winners. I think mga 50 winners ng 5,000. All they have to do is to deposit, open an account, mag-deposito ng savings account, and at the same time, kung meron silang existing account, mag-top up lang sila sa kanilang deposito. And they will be entitled for a raffle coupon.
Sa kasalukuyan, may 29 BDO Unibank branches, 8 BDO Network Bank branches, at 202 Cash Agad Partner Agents na ang BDO sa buong Pampanga. Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.